Hello everyone, this is Paul, Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango, and welcome to my next Sunday live stream. And today I will compare two antennas, magnetic loop and the frame antenna. So let's hope that the propagation will be fine. I prepared some equipments. I have the Mini 1300 antenna analyzer. Okay, I have here this AB antenna switch, and of course I have this Zygu X6100 transceiver. Okay, I picked up some backup external batteries with cable to be sure that the power will be enough to make this tests. So I just prepared the frame antenna. I'm going to prepare the magnetic loop, and yeah, let's hope that the propagation will be fine today, at least to make a few contacts, maybe 1, 2, maybe 3 contacts. I will be very happy. Yeah, I'm doing this test indoors because we have very poor WX-ray. We have very strong wind here, about maybe 60-70 kilometers per hour wind. It's snowing right now and is something around 0 degrees centigrades. So I decided to make this test here inside the house, and maybe you should know that this house is made of the concrete. There is a little steel inside, but the steel is inside only the walls. I do not have any steel up, as you can see, on the roof. The roof is made completely of non-metallic materials. So I could say that the roof is open for the radio waves. So that's my conditions. And now I'm going to put the magnetic loop on stand. I'm sorry for the voice. I hope that you listen me fine. I do not have an external microphone, so Alright, so antenna is deployed, and I will connect this coax to my switch. All right, so let me set the antennas in the same conditions, maybe almost the same. They will be located in the same direction, or rotate to the same direction. This is the direction south-north. I'm sorry, I do not have a proper mounting adapter for this antenna in this time, so I made just a kind of compromise. Okay, they are almost in the same height. I could say they are in the same height. Okay, so prepare a battery. Yeah, there is one more thing. I will try to put the antenna a little bit more from each other. I think it will be better because they will interact together when they are too close. Okay, I think this is the max. I would like you to see both antennas on the same place. So I am using this 5.2 amp hour battery. And I have a connection cable. All right, hello, greetings to Canada, to Austria, and to other ones. Thank you for stopping by here on the live stream. I hope that the frame antenna will work at least as good as the Magloop. All right, just in case, yeah, greetings to Russia. Just in case, I prepared this second coupling loop. I have plan. Yeah, I run the new radio. I found this radio very, very good. I like this radio too much. It's much better than the 510. Oh my gosh, 5100 it was. The old Zygo transceiver was has a better antenna, of course. This not antenna, battery has much better battery because this one has battery for 7.4 volts, and the 5105 Zygo has battery for 12 volts and with bigger capacity, of course. So in case if this antenna failed or something, I would like to test to feed this antenna, the frame antenna, with this secondary loop. Also, I have the choke. I would like to add this choke right now to to the frame antenna. Something like the RF choke I have here, couple of winding of this coax cable, but I will use this RF current choke. Okay, so yeah, that's the time to check how this antenna actually works. Firstly, I would like to go to 40 meters, but we should check the frame antenna on the antenna analyzer. Yeah, good morning to States. All right. Frequency sweep. We have a 40 meters right now. Go to the frequency. 40 meter whole band. Okay, I'm not sure what the picture quality you have because it is a live stream. This is not a full HD quality. I'm not sure if you see something on the screen. Please just let me know if there is some problem. Okay. Okay, I'm not sure if this antenna is currently tuned right to the band. So this is just the first check. Okay, scan. Okay, thank you, Aaron. All right, so you see that green line is up there, SWR20. So I have to go to my antenna and to tune it. Okay, I will save a little bit battery on transceiver. All right, normally when I do the video, I'm cutting some not interesting parts like adjustments and so on. This is just a live stream, so you have to look at these parts of the video. I hope that you don't mind. Okay. I need to take this analyzer to me. All right, my center frequency will be 7150. So I will set this frequency. Seven. All right, so I see that this antenna is not as sharp as my magnetic loop. I see that the frame antenna is wider. Yeah, definitely the bandwidth is wider. All right, so let's see. All right, you can see that here, this little green line, this is auto scan, turn it on this. So this is the live scanning of the band. And you can see that 7150 is about, let's say maybe 1.3. And it's still good on top. So 50 kilohertz is fine. Okay, I'll make a little bit wider the bandwidth on analyzer. Frequency 40 meters. All right, so here you can see the whole band. So this is the whole band from 7 megahertz to 7.2. Yeah, and that's not bad with the SWR. All right, so let me show you how the other parameters looks like. All right, so here we have the Z. This is the R and X. I'm not a really big expert if this is a good parameters or not. Maybe you are, I'm not sure. If you are an expert with this thing, you can write me your opinion in the comment section. So again, I'm not sure if you see that on the screen. I hope that yes. This should be a resonance S11. So all right, so I go back to the normal mode, to the SWR mode, and now I will tune the magnetic loop for frequency 7.150. Right, so the magnetic loop has been tuned. I need a bit longer cable, one moment. I'm using these Velcro tapes for the Magloops. Yeah, very practical thing. All right. So here you can see how sharp is the magnetic loop compared to the frame antenna. It's a really big high Q on this antenna. Right, so check the other ones. This is the Z. I'm sorry for reflection of my face. So again, this is the magnetic loop antenna on 40 meter band. Center frequency 7150. And the Smith diagram. And back on the SWR. So you can see, if you compare the frame antenna, that the magnetic loops are much more wider. I presume that the effectivity will be a bit higher on the Magloop. Okay. Right, so antennas are tuned to 7150. I'm going to connect antennas to my transceiver. So the AB switch which I use, it means that the A is the magnetic loop antenna and the B is the frame antenna from here. And here I have connected my Zygo transceiver. Okay, please let me know if you have a good audio. I'm in the room where is kind of echo, so maybe the audio is not perfect. So 7 megahertz. There is attenuator on. I have to turn it off. Good. All right, so I'm now.
India 3 Whiskey Romeo Tango Charlie. India 3 Whiskey Romeo Tango Charlie. QRZ.
I'm now on the antenna A.
India 3 Whiskey Romeo Tango Charlie. India 3 Whiskey Romeo Tango Charlie. QRZ.
This is the magnetic loop. This is the frame antenna again.
Italy 3 Whiskey Romeo Tango Charlie. India 3 Whiskey Romeo Tango Charlie. India 3 Whiskey Romeo Tango Charlie. QRZ.
All right, so you can see that definitely there is an attenuation. One moment.
Mike Foster Bravo, you ready? You are already in the log. Delta Golf through Mike Florida Bravo.
So
you are in the log. Yourself? Thank you. QRZ, India 3 Whiskey Romeo Tango Charlie.
This is the magnetic loop and the frame antenna. Magloop. Frame. Magloop. Frame.
CQ40, CQ40, Italia,
Magloop.
Italia 3, Whiskey Romeo, Tango Charlie. Italia, Italia 3, Whiskey
Frame.
Romeo, Tango Charlie, CQ40.
Magloop.
CQ40, CQ40, India, India 3,
Yeah, good
Whiskey
thing
Romeo, Tango
to
Charlie. India, India 3, Whiskey
to
Romeo,
check the SWR first. That was a really good question. So here you can see the SWR reading. This is the magnetic loop antenna. Right, so almost 1 to 1. And the frame antenna. The same. Okay, so the frame antenna and the magloops have the same SWR. So that's the perfect situation when we want to compare this both radios, antennas, I'm sorry. So this is the frame antenna, magnetic loop.
CQ, India, India 3, Whiskey Romeo, Tango Charlie. India, India 3, Whiskey Romeo, Tango Charlie, CQ.
Frame antenna.
United, Golf, Foxtrot,
Magnetic
QRP,
loop.
come back.
You can see this attenuation.
Allora, Italia, Università 5, Mexico,
Magnetic
Guatemala,
loop.
Londra.
The frame antenna.
Avevo capito giusto, Mexico, Guatemala.
Alright, so I will try to call this guy with my magnetic loop first, and then I will check the frame antenna. Let's hope that he will copy me. I'm going to set my power to 10 watts because I'm feeding transceiver with the external power supply. So I'm able to go to 10 watts, as you can see. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango QRP. 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 Seems that this guy doesn't hear me. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango QRP. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango QRP. Alright. I will try to switch to frame antenna. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango QRP. Alright, but I barely hear him. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango QRP. And the magnetic loop. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. Okay. I would like you to see this switch also. Oh man, so many cables. This is my nightmare. To have such cables around. Yeah. Okay, so here again on the left side I have the magnetic loop, and on the right side I have this frame antenna I'm testing now, and it's connected to my transceiver. This is the magnetic loop, and this is the frame antenna again. But definitely you can see this attenuation. Oh gosh.
The idiote to
I had the AGC off.
Потом там Таганрог, там... Нет, у них там по-другому. Тебе, значит, ты...
Grazie mille, salvo procedimento, arrivi molto bene qui a Pordenone. Italy, 3, Whiskey Romeo, Tango Charlie.
Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. Hello, Fred. Greetings to Canada. Yeah, the W X-ray we have terrible also today here. 0 degrees, strong wind and snowing.
Sugar Papa 1 Ontario, Sugar Papa 1 Ontario, 5 and 9. Roger, thank you. Excuse me, your report is also 5 and 9. Thank you, 73, good luck. South 73, you're ready in the log. QRZ, India 3, Whiskey Romeo, Tango Charlie.
Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango.
Delta Kilo 9, Foxtrot Whiskey, 5 and 9. Ciao, thank you, QRZ.
Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango.
Italia Zulu 1, Echo Oscar Papa 5.
Yeah, I would like to test also on 80 meter this antenna, but I do not have any reference antenna because the magnetic loop doesn't work on 80 meters.
QRZ, India 3, Whiskey Romeo, Tango Charlie.
Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango QRP.
QRZ?
Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango QRP.
QRZ again, something, I hear the station calling, QRZ.
Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango QRP. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango QRP.
Whiskey Romeo, Tango Charlie.
Oh gosh.
Delta Charlie 2, Whiskey Foxtrot.
Oh, Delta something with the Foxtrot in the call?
Yeah, here is Delta Charlie 2, Whiskey Foxtrot. Delta Charlie 2, Whiskey Foxtrot. Good afternoon, my name here Rolf, Romeo Salima Fox, 5-9 here in East Germany. Go ahead.
Thank you for 5-9 Germany. Delta Charlie 2, Whiskey Fox. Ciao. QRZ, India 3, Whiskey Romeo, Tango Charlie.
Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango QRP.
Station, with Mexico in the call?
Oscar Mexico 0 Echo Tango QRP.
Negative. QRZ,
Oh,
India 3, Whiskey
negative. All right, so
Sierra Papa 3, Papa Whiskey. Sierra Papa? Sierra Papa 3, Papa Whiskey. Okay, Sierra Papa.
I would like to have 100 watts in this moment.
Sierra Papa 3, Papa Whiskey.
Thank you, Oscar November, 75, Oscar Radio Alpha.
Sierra Papa 3, Hotel Lima, Queen, Florida. I have a plan. That plan is when I retire, I would like to go back and then have a home in the island and also have a private boat. Not the long boat though, not the long boat, but a private small boat where I will have an exit.
Есть у меня, ага, как у вас вот такое здари.
all right, definitely there is the problem with the light.
7 на 40 метрах, Елена Василий 1, Тамара Мария. Работает Елена Василий 1, Тамара Михаил. 7 на 40 метрах,
Frame antenna,
Елена Василий 1, Тамара
magnetic
Мария
loop.
на приеме. Розин, Боя Дима Харитон, ЕВ1, Тамара Мария. Добрый вечер, спасибо. 5-9, громко, я понимаю, Владимир на станции, город Минск. 5-9, Владимир в Минске на приеме. Не отвечали сейчас, еще раз. Один будет Дима Харитон.
Mark, Japan 9, United November, over.
Delta Juliet 9, Uniform November.
Magnetic loop,
Dankeschön. 55 bei St. Piet.
frame,
55 bei St. Piet. 43, danke.
magloop, frame, magloop, frame, the magloop. Yeah, okay, honestly, it is not a really big deal on just receiving with the frame antenna. Okay. I'm a bit disappointed how well this frame antenna actually works on received. I waited just better results.
Может быть, там какая-то погрешность была. Спасибо, Александр. Будьте здоровы. До свидания. Елена Василий 1, Тамара Мария на 40 метрах. Я Елена Василий 1, Тамара
7,
Михаил.
S9,
Елена Василий 1, Тамара
S9 on Magloop and S7 on the frame antenna. There is 2S difference. I would say that it's that's the 12 dB difference between the magnetic loop and the frame antenna on receive, of course.
Да, Михаил, отлично принято. Тоже громко слышу.
And you can see that also on the
Спасибо.
background
Микрофон в Питере.
of the spectrum scope. That's the background of the magnetic loop,
Елена Василий 1, Тамара Мария на 40
and that's the background of the frame antenna.
Елена Василий 1, Тамара Михаил на прием.
Magnetic loop
Радио Люба 3, Анна Щука. Радио Люба 3, Анна
and the
Щука.
frame antenna.
Добрый вечер. 5-9, рапорт Владимир, город Минск, на приеме.
And the Magloop antenna. Okay, there is also possibility to try 20 meters. I'm sorry for, oh gosh. Okay, I go back to the antennas and I will try to tune 20 meters on these antennas. So the first one will be the frame antenna. And I will try to tune antenna on 14.2. This is my goal. Okay, no, I'm on 40 meters. Oh gosh. I set just the wrong frequency. I'm tuning antenna on the same band. 14,200. This is my current center frequency. Okay, I still have the problem to find correct tap on the antenna. I'm not able to tune the antenna on 20 meters. I have 14 SWR on 20 meters, but I still can't go lower than 14 SWR. This is really weird. So maybe 20 meters will be not possible to go with this antenna configuration. Or here. Yes, this is much better. Okay, so I reached SWR 2.1 on 20 meter band. Center frequency is 14.200. Something like that. So let's see. So the best SWR 2.3 on 14.200, and I used this pad here on the bottom. And also I will do the same test on the magnetic loop antenna. And this is the magnetic loop antenna. You can see the SWR here on top is 1.4 and 14.200 is the center frequency. So let's check how it looks like on the graph. Firstly, I check the frame antenna, same as before on 40 meters. So here I'm using the frame antenna. And let's check. You see that antenna is a little bit lower than should be. I will try to find just a better value. Okay, this is the best what I can do with the frame antenna. SWR, the best is 2.1. You can read this here on the bottom. So let's check the other graphs. Here we have the impedance, the Z. The R and X. This is the R and X. Resonance. And Smith diagram. And back on the SWR. All right. Now I switch to my magnetic loop. Yeah, okay, so again, you can see how sharp is this antenna. And SWR here, 1.4 on the magnetic loop. And let's see the other ones. And back on the SWR. Okay, and now I switch to my transceiver. So again, the antenna A will be magnetic loop. Antenna B will be the frame antenna on 20 meters.
Whiskey Radio Tango Charlie.
Okay, the frequency
Please Zulu again.
14282. I copy some station.
Radio November 3 Zulu, I believe, 59.
Right. And now I switch to the antenna A, to the magnetic loop.
Roger, thank you, good luck. Ciao, grazie, ciao, ciao. Italy 9, Whiskey Radio.
Frame antenna,
Italy 9, Whiskey
magnetic
Radio,
loop
Tango,
antenna,
Charlie. Sierra Papa 9, Victor Papa, 59.
frame antenna,
Roger,
magnetic
Victor, no
loop,
problem. 59 also for you, good luck, ciao.
frame,
Ciao, Italy 9,
Frame,
Whiskey
frame.
Radio, Tango, Charlie.
magnetic loop. This is
Papa Delta 1,
Magloop,
Romeo Alpha Charlie, 59.
and the frame antenna.
Ciao, 73 QRZ.
So
Italy 9, Whiskey Radio, Tango,
S6
Charlie.
to 7 on the frame antenna,
Papa Hotel 9 Echo, 59.
and this is the magnetic loop antenna S9.
Roger, good afternoon, 73, ciao.
The frame antenna,
Italy 9, Whiskey Radio, Tango, Charlie.
frame antenna,
Italy 9, whiskey radio
magnetic
Tango
loop
Charlie.
antenna. All right, so
Italy 9, whiskey radio Tango Charlie.
you can see that live
Italy 9, whiskey radio Tango Charlie.
that the frame antenna has not
Italy 9,
gained
whiskey
as the
radio Tango
magnetic loop.
Italy 9, whiskey radio Tango Charlie.
And I'm going to try
9, whiskey radio Tango
to make
Charlie.
contacts on 20. I need to set my tripod.
Italy 9, whiskey radio Tango Charlie.
Right.
Italy 9, whiskey radio Tango Charlie.
But I'm too far from the center frequency. The SWR will be terribly high, but I can try the frame antenna for fun.
Whiskey radio Tango Charlie.
Need to check the SWR here. SWR is 2, the same as on 200, but I can use the attenuator, automatic tuner, I'm sorry. Not a big deal. I don't like this dimming waterfall. It doesn't look much promising if you see just the dimming waterfall. This is the magnetic loop, and you can see those lines appears on the screen. After switch to the frame antenna, these lines disappear. This is not a good sign of the antenna receiving capability. So I'm back on the frame antenna. Alright, here is somebody transmitting on the USB. No, I'm on the LSB.
Yes, 23 meters high, but the front to back isn't quite so good on this one antenna, but the forward gain seems to be fairly good. Anyway, back to you, Tom, and just remind me your working conditions and how's
This is the magnetic
WX
loop.
in your part of Malaysia.
This is frame.
TMT M0JWK.
This is the really big difference. I am back on the magnetic loop right now.
Центри пока. Твердо здесь радио 4, Сергей, Борис, Наташа, прием.
Okay, this guy is 9 plus 10, I believe.
Pinky Queen 6, Whiskey Echo.
And
Thank you very
the
much
frame?
for coming back to my call. 5758. The band close, it seems.
And this
My
is the
name Nick,
magnetic
November
loop.
India kilowatt, go ahead.
That's a huge difference.
Yeah, Roger, Mike. Thank you for nice contact. Good luck
I'm
to you
back
and
on
the
the
family,
magnetic
and
loop.
best regards from me from Russia. Mike, back to you for the final over. Good luck.
Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango QRP.
Here, Oscar Mike 0, please again your call sign. I'm very weak, 4
This
by
is
4.
magnetic loop. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango QRP.
Negative copy. Excuse me, my friend. It's too late and propagation very close to down. This is Radio 4 Sierra Bravo Nancy. Calling and standby.
Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango QRP.
Tango X-ray Papa.
Yeah, Mexico 0 Tango X-ray Papa. Good evening. Report is a silent 959. My name is Nick. November India kilowatt. Go ahead.
Okay, Vic, I think you said no.
Frame? Oh man, I do not copy. On the frame.
The city of Liverpool. 59510. Yeah, QSL buddy from Liverpool. All information I've got clear and without any problem. Thank you for nice contact. Good luck to you and your family. Best regards from central part of Russia. Bye bye. Yeah, my call sign radio 4, number 4. Sierra Bravo
This is the
November,
frame.
Okay? 73.
This is the frame
This
antenna.
is radio 4, Sierra Bravo Nancy. Radio number
S9
4, Sierra
on the
Bravo
magnetic
Nancy.
loop.
Calling in, stand by. Charlie, last letter, Charlie again.
This is the frame.
Yeah, Roger, Mark.
Magloop. Frame.
Charlie, beautiful call sign.
Magloop.
Very easy to
Frame.
hear. My name is Nick November, India, Kilowatt,
Magloop.
Nick, and location central part of Russia. You report, by the way, 59 the plus, over, plus 5 or 7 dB over 9. Mike, back to you, over.
Okay, the magnetic loops now rotate to the north and to the west, to the south, and the Russia is coming from the east. So I am.
Yeah, Roger. Very glad to hear you.
Antenna is in a null
You ought to be
in the null location direction.
95 doing a very good job, and ICON 7
It's coming from the
300
side of my
also.
beam, actually.
I had information from QRZ.com. It seems it's right. So, Mark, good luck to you and the family, and bye-bye.
This is frame antenna. Magnetic loop. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango QRP.
Right over.
Frame antenna.
Mike, it seems I've got your name, Mike.
Magnetic loop.
Is it right, your call sign? Mike 7, Bravo, Zulu. Is it right, over? And no rain at the moment either, so very unusual. But they are talking about us having some snow, maybe towards the last day or two in January. So, we should be in the sunshine by then. Okay, Tom. Thanks for the call. Much appreciated, and great to catch up.
Frame.
Contacts on
Magloop.
on the bands. I wonder if you operate anywhere else. At the moment, I can only operate
Frame.
on 17 and 20 meters at the moment, but
Magloop
hopefully in the
on
next
20
maybe,
meters.
6 weeks I'll get the other bands working on this antenna. It's got 5 bands on, 10, 12, 17, 15, 17 and 20. So hopefully get those other bands working. But maybe, I think 15 meters should be pretty good in your direction over the next year or two. All the best there, Tom, and thanks for the
So
contact.
again, the antennas.
M0JWK.
Frame antenna. Magnetic loop antenna. They are maybe 3, maybe 4 meters away from each other. Okay, I'm waiting for this UK station for making CQ. Hope that he will. This is the frame antenna and the Magloop antenna. Frame antenna and the Magloop antenna.
Okay, Tom. Yeah, well, hopefully next year I'm going to try.
The frame antenna
up to 40 meters.
and the
40
Magloop
meters,
antenna.
a big wire antenna, but maybe a big wire V beam or something like that. But That's what I'm hoping to do. So try and make more contacts on 40 meters during the the night times when it goes, because the bands drop out, don't they, on 20 meters. But so hopefully we'll be able to make some contacts on 40 meters in the future. At the moment, I've only got a big loop up, and it's not the best for DX. So hopefully to get that 40 meter antenna sorted out, we can have a few contacts there, Tom. 9 Mike 6 TNT M0 JWK. All the best there, Tom, and thanks for the call.
QRP. Yeah, I'm breaking with QRP.
Any other DX stations, buddies? Mike 0 JWK listening.
A QRP station, QRP.
Yeah, the Victor Kilo 6, go ahead.
All right, so he's looking for the DX. There is the VK station
Yeah, I think it's
in the
Victor
background.
Delta Whiskey might be missing something, but I'm just...
I will try to
looking a bit
pick
further
this
out for you,
VK
but
station
anyway,
on the
John,
frame antenna.
JOHN, QDH on a small farm midway between Birmingham and Manchester. So I'm not sure if I got the call correct, but we'll get it on the next one, sure. VK6 Delta Whiskey, Mike 0 JWK.
All right, I'm able to hear this VK station and a frame antenna. Absolutely nothing. And a VK on the Magloop. Frame. Magloop. Okay, I'm going to turn a little bit with antenna.
Yeah, fine there, Ian. VK6 Delta Washington. I think he's our first contact, Ian. I don't recognise the call. And my call, a slight mistake on my call, Ian. It's Mexico 0, J Japan, W Washington, K kilowatt. It's Mike 0 JWK. And yes, well, the QTH, we're sort of midway Pommyland. We're not where the cricketers practice HI, but we're the nearest towns to us are...
Okay, so here you can see these directions. So here there is the north, there is the south, and there is the west, and here is the east. So the antennas are rotate to the west, to the east. Antennas are on the same direction.
Like we normally do, but normally on the long path, I used to speak to Roy, VK6, Mike Victor. He's got a big rhombic antenna. He's just south of you, but he always used to come through. He's like a beacon on 20 meters. But Victor, do you copy me? Over.
So this is the magnetic loop and the frame antenna. This is Magloop and the frame antenna. All right, so my guys, this is a little bit disappointment of this new frame antenna. I would not to build this antenna again. By my opinion, as you can see that the frame antenna, yeah, it looks great, but I don't think that this antenna really works even on receive. It is much weaker output signals coming from this frame antenna compared to the magnetic loop, of course. So this is my test of the frame antenna. This is just something like a second part of the first part of the build of this antenna, and yeah, it's completely on you if you would like to build this antenna or not. Maybe you will make this antenna a little bit better, maybe something change, maybe some different design. Yeah, there is also a second design where is used the coupling loop. This is not a coupling loop inside my frame antenna, so maybe your frame antenna will work a bit better. Hard to say. My opinion is that I will definitely stay with my magnetic loop and I will stay with the other ones. Frame antenna is not for me. Okay, so I will try to make a few QSOs for now. I will stop comparisons and I will focus on some good signals around. So I'm going to take the antenna a little bit closer to me to be able to tune antenna. So here I have two antennas on me. I'm sorry, I have a poor conditions here with my camera. And I'm going to connect the magnetic loop directly to the transceiver. I'm not going to use this AB switch anymore. Okay, so the magnetic loop and 20-meter band.
Roger, Nick QSL. Thank you very much for the flowers to the audio. I use an equalizer, maybe URSS, okay? Anyway, thank you very much. Best regards, Nick, and enjoy the afternoon. And I hope you're making a lot out of the contacts. RASBN, Radio 4 SBN, CT1DQV.
I still have 10 watts.
Bye, 73, good luck.
Good luck, thank you.
Bravo Lima, please complete your call sign. Yeah, Roger, Delta Foxtrot 7, Bravo Lima, Uwe. Thank you very much for nice report. Your report is a 59 little plus over. My name is Nick, November, India, kilowatt Nick, and location Central part of Russia. And yes, I'm using 6-element over Yagi homebrew, long boom, and amplifier Golf Uniform 35 Bravo. And very old the transceiver Icon 775 TX2.
At the top end, and but I've never had the covers off it, so it's been pretty reliable. But I wonder how long you've had your 990, but they're still very, very expensive over here. They're still around about £6,000. VK6DW M0JWK.
Santiago, Mexico.
I try to find clear frequency for possible QSOs.
Hotel and Bravo Lima.
752Q Radio Alpha. CQ20, this is Oscar Nancy 75.
All right.
Oscar Nancy again.
Oscar Nancy 3, Juliet Mike Delta.
Oscar November 3, Juliet Mike Delta. Jan, goedemiddag, 5 en 5 keurtel.
Ja, bedankt. Goedemiddag, 5 en 7. Nog veel succes, veel plezier, 73.
Ja, 73, bye-bye. This is Oscar Nancy 75, Tokyo Radio Alpha.
Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango QRP.
The QRP station, go ahead.
I am Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango QRP.
Yeah, Oscar Mike station QRP, only the QRP station, Oscar Mike, go ahead.
Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango QRP. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango QRP. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango QRP.
Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, the QRP station. Good afternoon. You're 5 and 5 into Belgium, QSL.
Okay, thank you. You're 5x7, 5x8, 5x7, 5x8, over.
Roger, Roger. Thank you very much for this contact. 73, have a nice Sunday. Bye-bye.
Have a nice Sunday. Bye-bye.
Uniform November.
Nice, nice, nice. Frequency 14255.
Yankee Bravo 1, Uniform November.
Right, so I'm going up. Okay. 292. Okay, if you are interested with the contact with me, guys, go to 14292. I will be there. I hope that. No, this is not a clear frequency. 297. I found a clear frequency. 297. Okay, one moment. Somebody is calling me. I need to tune my antenna. Wait a second. Perfect. All right. QRZ is the frequency in use. I have a logbook.
I can only hear you on your video. I can only hear you on your video, sir. Sorry for that. I can see you on YouTube. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. This is Lima Bravo 1 November Hotel. Over, over.
All right, I have a paper. The station Lima Bravo again, Lima Bravo again, Lima Bravo again.
Okay, this is Lima Bravo 1 November Hotel. I can only hear you on YouTube.
Okay, I need to turn antenna.
YouTube. I cannot copy you in my radio. Sorry for that. My name is Ariel. We have had contact before, so I think it's fun to look at your videos and your antenna building. I'm sorry for the frame antenna. I'm very sorry for the frame antenna.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much. Take care there, and bye-bye for now. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, this is Lima Bravo 1 November Hotel, Oslo, Norway. Bye-bye.
Lima Bravo 1 November Hotel. No, sorry. Lima Bravo. Okay, I have some RF noise. Antenna is very close to my transceiver. One moment. One moment. It's still there. Lima Bravo 1 November Hotel, Lima Bravo 1 November Hotel, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. Do you copy?
Yes, I can copy you only on YouTube.
Only on YouTube.
Only on YouTube. I cannot hear you in my own radio, so I'm looking at the video
and your antenna building, but I cannot hear you when you are transmitting. I cannot hear you. I hear you only in the YouTube channel. Over.
QSL Arlen, QSL Lima Bravo 1 November Hotel, Lima Bravo 1 November Hotel. This is Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. I'm turning my antenna. I'm slightly turning my antenna. Maybe you will copy me also directly. 10 watts is my power. 10 watts is my power and the magnetic loop. Thank you very much for watching my live stream here on the YouTube. Lima Bravo 1 November Hotel, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango.
Okay, very good. I can hear you. You are about 3 and 4 in Oslo. About 3 and 4 in my radio in Oslo. Okay. Take care there and bye-bye 73s. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. This is Lima Bravo 1 in November Hotel. My name is Alpha Romeo India Lima Delta. Arild, and bye for now.
Okay, Arild is your name. I'm sorry, I renamed you accidentally. Okay, thank you so much for this report. Thank you so much for this QSO and for watching my YouTube channel. I wish you a very nice Sunday, 73. And don't worry about the frame antenna. This is just the other attempt of antenna build. And now I know that the frame antenna will be not my favorite one. 73, have a great day and enjoy the Sunday. Lima Bravo 1 November Hotel, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango QRP.
Yeah, thank you very much. And bye-bye 73.
Thank you, bye-bye. Okay, thank you, Arlet. Thank you. And I'm able to go a little bit higher because there is strong splatter. 298 is my frequency. 14298 is my frequency. So let's go. If you can, somebody copy me. Hello, CQ. This is Oscar Mexico 0 Echo Tango. Oscar Mexico 0 Echo Tango. CQ. Oscar Mexico 0 Echo Tango. Oscar Mexico 0 Echo Tango. CQ. CQ. This is QRP station, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tokyo. Again, Alpha in the call again.
Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. Mike 0 Tango Quebec.
Mike 0 Tango Quebec. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. Good afternoon. My name Paul, QSL.
Yeah, hi Paul. Good to catch you again. Name is Stuart, and I'm operating portable on the beach on the south coast of England. Got you 5 and 3, 53, Paul. Over.
Okay, QSL. Thank you for 5 and 3. I'm running just a QRP power. I'm running 10 watts. 10 watts, 10 whiskey, and a small magnetic loop antenna indoors. Magnetic loop antenna indoors. Indoor magnetic loop, 1 meter in diameter and 10 watts. QSL.
Yeah, Roger. M0TTQ returning. I think, is that the one that you've had that on your video, haven't you, Paul? Go ahead.
Yes. I have plenty of videos about this magnetic loop antenna, and your signal report here is the 59 real signal report indoor my room. Over.
Yeah, copy the 59. Thanks, Paul. Yeah, I've got 100 watts in with vertical half wave, and I'm on a beach which faces south, so it's a good takeoff in your direction. Well, congratulations on the antenna and the setup. It's working very nicely for you. Over here, very clear signal. And yeah, big fan of the YouTube channel. Love what you do with it. So 7-3, and you make lots more contacts this afternoon. M0ET, M0TTQ.
QSL, thanks so much, Stuart, for a very lovely QSO. This QSO is on my live stream, so you can watch your voice and your signal today later. from recording of the live stream. 73, thank you and enjoy your portable activity. Mike 0, Tango Tango, Quebec Stroke Portable. This is Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango, QRP, over.
Yeah, okay, you've got back a little on the QSB there, Paul, so I wish you 73 and hope to catch you again. Mike 0, Tango Tango, Quebec, clear, 73.
All right, thank you so much again. 73s, bye-bye. Yeah, that was really lovely. QSO. 1554. All right. Again, QRZ again. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango on the magnetic loop antenna indoor. QSL. Somebody was there. Hello, CQ. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, QRP.
Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. This is Ocean Henry 2 Alpha Uniform Echo. How do you copy?
Oscar Henry 2 Alpha Uniform Echo, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. I copy you very, very good. Your signal report 58 to 59, 58 to 59, and the indoor magnetic loop antenna, QSL.
Okay, well, it's a fine business, Paul. I actually saw you first on YouTube and decided to fire up my station after a long delay. I have a four-element Yagi pointed in your direction.
Oh, beautiful.
30 watts. 30 watts, and the name here is Mike India Kilo Echo, over.
Yeah, beautiful, a beautiful setup, Mike. Congratulations to your 30 watts and the 5 and 9 solid signal. Could you repeat again, Mike, what is my signal report? And my setup here is 10 watts only, 10 watts power, 10 whiskey power, and the magnetic loop is 1 meter small in diameter and is located inside my house, inside the room. So this is the indoor antenna, QSL.
Okay, well, I'm copying you quite nicely, about 5 and 6,
Oh.
and very nice signal with your 10 watts and indoor magnetic loop antenna.
Beautiful.
The station here is in central Finland. I'm about 150 kilometers north from Helsinki, the capital. Thank you very much for the nice QSO, and good luck with your experiments, Paul. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, H2 Alpha Uniform Echo.
Okay, Oscar Hotel 2, Alpha Uniform Echo, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. Thank you so much for the 5x6 signal report in your country. 73 to you and your family, and bye-bye. Thank you for nice comment. Oscar Hotel 2, Alpha Uniform Echo, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. Bye-bye.
Okay, Roger everything, Paul. Thank you. It's the best 73s, and very good luck with your experiments. It's always fun to see somebody playing around with antennas and getting some fine results. Best 73s. Bye-bye.
QSL. I was testing today the frame antenna, homemade frame antenna, but I was a little bit disappointed about how this antenna actually works on receive. It was much weaker than the magnetic loop. But don't worry, we can try the other ones. 73 Mike, 73s. Bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye, Paul. It seems that you might be getting some RF into your audio. I'm not quite sure there, but there's something going on in the audio channel. But no copy problems. Hello, bye-bye.
Okay, yeah, I have very close my magnetic loop antenna to my transceiver. This is maybe just about 50 centimeter away from the transceiver. Maybe the RF is going inside the microphone cable or something. I don't know. Thank you very much for the information. 73s.
Cheerio.
Hello, CQ. This is QRP station, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, over. This is Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, QRP, over. CQ20, CQ20, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, QRP. CQ, CQ, CQ20, Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango, QRP, over. CQ, CQ, CQ20, Oscar Mexico 0, Echo Tango, QRP, over. Again. Nothing heard. This is Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango, QRP. I can try also 17 meters.
Lima, Bravo 3, Bravo Juliet. This is Lima, Bravo 3, Bravo Japan, QSL.
Lima Bravo 3, Bravo Japan, Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango, 5x7, over.
Thank you for the 5 and 7. I'm only hearing you on your YouTube channel.
Okay.
I just want to test if you can hear me. Thank you for the contact, Mike. 73 from Norway. My name is Anders.
All right, Anders. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the information, Anders. Yeah, I copy you 5 and 7, 5x7. Very nice signal report here in Central Europe, indoor my room. 73s. Bye-bye. Good luck.
Thank you. I'm only running 100 watts on a short vertical. 73. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye. CQ, CQ, Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango. Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango, CQ, CQ20. CQ, CQ20, Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango, QRP. CQ, CQ, CQ20, Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango, QRP. CQ20, CQ20, Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango, QRP. CQ20, CQ20, this is QRP station, Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango, QRP. Okay, I'm going to try 17 meters. Let's see if there is something up there. Oh, attenuators, turn it on here.
You're 4x9, QSL.
There's the strong station on 165, 18, 165.
What a pile up today. What a pile up. Seems like everybody's on the name is George, 4 elements, 800 watts. Back to you.
Yeah, okay, George. Very good signal. You're still 5-9, loud and clear into Madrid. George, my name is Frank. Fox Romeo Alpha Norway Kilo, Frank.
In the Michigan sounded excellent. And that band's pretty crowded. It won't hold you. There are a lot of people yelling. So you go ahead and work all those.
It looks like the station from stateside is here.
Okay, condition is really good now, and I think it's opening to your country as usual here in 17 about this time. Okay, thank you anyway.
That's the noise reduction.
Very much for return, and hope to meet you again. November 8, India, Victor Whiskey, Echo Alpha 4, Echo United India 73.
Give me your call again.
Yeah, is EA4 EUI.
Echo Alpha 4, Echo Uniform India, clear out. Echo Alpha 4, Echo Uniform India, Echo Alpha 4, Echo United India, clear out.
Okay, got it now. Thank you, 73.
Thank you, 73 from Echo Alpha 4.
Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango QRP. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango QRP. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango QRP. Yeah, sometimes it is about the patient. QRP is about the patients.
Alpha Radio Yankee. Gary, is that okay? Peter, over.
November, A4 Eco Uniform India. Gracias por el reporte de señal. Lo escucho 5759, Pablo. Un poco de QSB, pero te escucho bien aquí en la banda de 17 metros. Mi nombre es Francisco, el QRA Francisco. India Kilo 4, Papa Kilo November, Eco Alfa 4, Eco Uniform India, QSL.
Alright, so it's getting dark, so I just turn on the lights.
Muy bien, Pablo, igualmente, gracias por responder a mi llamada, que vaya todo bien y buenos de X73.
Alright, I'm going to 40 meters. Oh man, how many stations are here on the band? 40 meters is widely open. Russian stations.
Плюс Сергей около Москвы прям. РН-2 Харитон, Сергей, добрый вечер, поприветствую. 5-9 плюс 15 до 20, Анатолий, Новокубанск на приеме. Анатолий, прекрасно слышу вашу станцию. Впрочем, как всегда, здорово принимаю. Спасибо тоже за очередное КСО, доброй удачи. Да, Сергей, принято, без проблем. Сереж, там тебе РВ-9 зовет давно уже, он несколько... Спасибо большое тоже. Спасибо, что подсказал мне. Радио Василий 9. И удачи тебе, Анатолий, 73. Радио Василий 9. Кто приглашен?
Ольга Мария 0, Елена Тамара QRP.
Просишь радио Василий 9. Совсем другие станции.
No luck.
Да, там все прекрасно.
Vraiment, vraiment agréable.
All right, we have a CQ station. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango QRP. 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 Alright, so he doesn't make any breaks almost between transmissions. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango QRP. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango QRP. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango QRP. Alright, I think maybe 2, maybe 3 stations are on the same frequency. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango QRP. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango QRP. Okay, I have an idea. Maybe I can try the frame antenna on 80 meters. I can do this try. So let me change the antenna for the frame. Okay. Frame antenna in place. And this should be 80 meters. Not really nice. Okay, I need to use the antenna analyzer because I lost so let's try 80 meters. And 80. Okay. So here we have the frame antenna. All right. Terribly high SWR. Okay, I touched the antenna analyzer, and you can see that there is a change in the resonant frequency. That means that the coaxial cable acts as part of the antenna, and this is not good. So in this case, I have prepared an extra loop. So I prepared an extra coupling loop. I will use this loop on my frame antenna. Okay. I will use this here on top. One moment. Okay, so here you can see how I used the coupling loop on the frame antenna. I know this is not an ideal, but I can use it. And here to this connector, we need to short the internal pin with the socket body. And for short, or to short this two pins or internal pin and the other shield, I will use this shorting, or I don't know what's the name of this little thing, but I know that this thing shorts an internal pin and the other body of this connector. So I need to make a short with this connector in this case. So in this frame antenna configuration, the antenna design looks more comparable to the magnetic loop, because we have a coupling loop, we have here the coaxial cable, we have here the 1-to-1 current balloon, we have the coupling loop. There is no any direct connection to the antenna itself, it's just the coupling. And inside this box is capacitor. So in this case, I just connect this wire to the body of this connector, and the body of this connector is connected to the capacitor. Output from capacitor is connected to this screw, and the screw is connected to this second end of the wire. So actually right now I made the LC circuit. Yeah, so this is the C, this is the L, and with this shortening I just connected the capacitor to antenna in serial, and that all this antenna should work on 80 meters. Okay, so let's look at the analyzer and let's find if this antenna will resonate on some frequency. Yeah, and it does. So with this configuration, I can find nice sharp peak. It is very similar peak as I had on my magnetic loop before. You had seen this peak. So let me connect now the antenna to my transceiver, and seems that this design maybe could work a little better. I don't know. But we can check also the other parameters. How it looks like. Here we can see the impedance, Z parameters. That's the R and X. Again, resonance. And this is the Smith diagram. And again, the SWR. So I repeat again, this is the changed design. I have connected capacitor and inductance of this antenna in serial, and feeding of the antenna itself is not directly through the capacitor as before, but it's fed by the external coupling loop, as you can see here on top. So here I have this coupling loop, and behind here it's the little current balloon. So let's connect it to the antenna, to the transceiver. SWR is 1.6. Was the best SWR. Okay, there are a couple of stations. Alright, the system of tuning of this antenna should be the same as the magnetic loop, so I will switch to the AM mode and let's see the SWR here on this part of the screen. Okay, only 5 watts. I increase the power to 10 watts here. And again. Okay, I think there is the RF again. I don't like this oscillating. Something's wrong. Okay, we have the Slovakian station, Czech Republic stations. Okay, I really don't like this oscillating. I don't know. I feel that is not good sign. Otto Mária 0 Emil Tomáš. Oh. SWR is terrible. Otto Mária 0 Emil Tomáš, QRP. Otto Mária 0 Emil Tomáš, QRP. Tu je Otto Mária 0 Emil Tomáš, QRP. Okay, I'm calling him in my language, but there is no answer. Tu je Otto Mária 0 Emil Tomáš, QRP. But I see that there is the problem with the power. It's not a problem of my transceiver, this is problem of the antenna. And I don't know exactly why is that happening. I see a strong station here. Yeah, it looks promising. Oh gosh, this is so hard to tune this antenna. Okay, SWR 2.0. I need to use ATU.
November 7 Uniform Alpha, Radio 1 Bravo Charlie Hotel. Radio 1 Bravo Charlie Hotel. How copy me over?
Okay, guys, I just found that my chat has been turned off. I don't know why, but I see right now all your comments. Oh, there's so many comments I didn't see. I'm very, very sorry. My chat has been closed. I'm sorry. So right now I see all those comments. I'm just reading your comments. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango QRP. Okay, I use the same setting of my antenna to 40 meters. So I will use the external coupling loop for a 40-meter band right now. Okay, let me tune the antenna. Okay, I try to change the taps here with the crocodile, and I'm trying to find any noise on the receiver. Actually, no luck. Yeah, here it is. Okay. Yeah, thank you, Anders, for the QSO. I know you did not hear me, but I heard you fine. Okay, let me check the SWR. So about 1.5. About 1.5 SWR with coupling loop.
На данный момент, не понял весь позывной, я понял. Ну, 5-8 и QS бьет глубокие, ну, такое прохождение, у нас тут снег опять валит.
This is Delta Charlie 8. Zulu, you're 5 and 9, 59 towards L.
Okay, no problem, my friend. Delta Charlie 8, Yankee Zulu, 5 and 9, thank you.
73, thanks, take care.
Echo Whiskey 3, Sierra Alpha.
Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango.
Echo Whiskey 3, Sierra Alpha. Delta Lima 1, November Alpha, Delta 5, 9 plus 20. Delta again.
Posso andare a 7003 in questo momento e la sua saponetta. Sono desettato a mio piacimento, tutto qui. A te, Hubert.
Okay, I can compare this setting of the antenna with the magnetic loop again. I'm curious.
Perfetto, allora abbiamo la risposta. C'è il cambio, Alfredo. Sì, questa è benissimo. Sì, infatti al massimo lo ascolto molto bene, con una bellissima modulazione. Ciao Massimo, ti saluto, grazie per il corteo. Buona serata, 73 a presto riascoltarci. Il Z6, benvenuto il Z8, ciao Massimo, per te la parola, vuoi finalizzare, prego. Ti saluto Massimo, non so se...
Okay, I need to deploy again the switch.
Perfetto, non è un scherzo, si usi il 7003 alle grande il setup. Ciao Massimo, alle prossime.
This is funny thing. Okay, let's see what happened. What happened if I just touch the switch? The switch is not connected. You see? This is really weird. Okay, this is the coaxial from the magnetic loop, and this is not connected, the switch.
Io sono Alfredo, Italia 098, Delta Eco Papa, la P di Palermo, Z8 Delta Eco Papa, non Alfredo, TH Marano di Napoli,
Receiving increase. That's really funny. Okay.
Umberto, la Francia 5, no, November Papa Kilo, Florida 5, November Papa Kilo, Umberto, va? Della Sardegna.
Right, so
Ben riascoltato, ho visto che
that's the frame antenna.
ed inserito del
That's the frame antenna
sei veramente al centro con
and the magnetic loop antenna.
allora che infatti è al nord di Quartu Sant'Elena e Cagliari. Mi fai con il tuo 747
Magnetic loop
infatti per quel 9 e non
and
con
the
Passo.
frame antenna
Non per te, per me, perché ho sempre l'antenna puntata
and magnetic
verso
loop
l'Inghilterra.
antenna.
Allora con dietro dell'antenna parzialmente di più,
And
con
this
il
is the
dietro
frame
dell'antenna
antenna.
di fai S9.
So again, in this configuration
Zero Italia Z
with external coupling loop, is the frame antenna weaker than the magnetic loop? This is magnetic loop and frame antenna.
Germany, Florida X-ray, Golf, Florida X-ray, my suffix, over.
Again, it's stronger. on the magnetic loop.
Thank you, 5-9.
Okay, good evening. Q report 59. Thank you. Good luck. Спасибо, до свидания.
Спасибо, 73. Q arrived Italy, Italy 3. Italy 3, Whiskey Radio, Tango Charlie.
Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango QRP.
Oscar Zulu 5, Papa Oscar, thank you, you 5-9.
But antennas are very close to each other.
Radio Tango Charlie, you are 5 and 9 from 10.
I checked the SWR on the frame antenna.
3, Baba.
Yeah, it's high. Very high SWR here.
CQ, Italy 3, Whiskey
This is
Radio,
Magloop.
Tango Charlie.
Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango QRP.
Hotel Victoria Lima, please again.
This is Delta Golf 1 Hotel Victoria Lima. Papa 5 and 8, 5 and 8. Black.
Thank you, call this Germany 1, Hotel Victoria Lima. You 5-9 plus, Roger.
Thanks for 5 and 9 plus 73 and nice thanks for the operation.
73, bye-bye.
Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango QRP.
Delta Lima 6, Charlie Oscar Romeo, thank you, you 5-9.
Okay, I'm trying to tune the antenna.
Whiskey Radio, Tango Charlie.
Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango QRP.
CQ, India 3, Whiskey Radio, Tango Charlie calling. CQ, Italy 3, Whiskey Radio, Tango Charlie.
Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango QRP. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango QRP.
CQ, Italy 3, Whiskey Radio, Tango Charlie.
Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango QRP.
CQ calling, CQ.
Alright, she don't hear me
Whiskey Radio,
even with
Tango
the
Charlie.
magnetic loop. And again, for comparison, you can see this dimming on the frame antenna and signals with the magnetic loop. And of course, I used coupling loop in this case. Alright guys, so that was my second video, or the second part of the frame antenna build video, and the results of this video. And yeah, you can see that I'm not very happy with the results, how this frame antenna actually works. And yeah, I think that it is not my favorite antenna anymore. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. Yeah, I know it was very long video, about 2 hours and 10 minutes. So I thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed the video. Now you know that if it's worth or not to build this kind of antenna. Maybe it is, maybe I am wrong with my build. Something is maybe, or maybe I missed something, I don't know. but yeah, I'm not going to use this antenna anymore. So I will stay with my magnetic loop. Definitely. All right. Fabian, if you are still online on the air, we can meet again on the a private chat, so we can make another QSO here on 40 or on maybe on 20 meters. So thank you guys again for watching. Enjoy the Sunday, and I wish you very good luck in the new week. 7 trees, and bye bye. Good luck.